your acrylic nails? Ever feel like you need a break from the glitz and glam to let your natural nails breathe? We all know the feeling. The constant application of acrylics can make nails brittle and weak, leading to breakage and damage. It's crucial to give your nails a breather now and then. But how can you safely remove your acrylics without a trip to the salon? Don't worry, we have your back. Today we'll guide you through a simple step-by-step process to safely remove your acrylic nails at home. Before diving in, gather all the tools you'll need for this process. Nail clippers and a nail file are essential to trim and shape your nails. Acetone will be your magic liquid to dissolve the acrylic, while petroleum jelly will protect your skin from drying out. Cotton balls will help apply the acetone, and aluminum foil will keep them in place. And lastly, you'll need a bowl to contain it all. Now that you have all your tools ready, let's get started. Removing acrylic nails is a delicate process, but with patience, you can do it without damaging your natural nails. Let's delve into the details of this process. First things first, trim your acrylic nails. Get them as short as possible. This will make the removal process easier and less time-consuming. Once you've trimmed your nails, the next step is to file off the top coat. This is a crucial step as it allows the acetone to penetrate the acrylic more easily, facilitating its removal. Now, before we bring acetone into the picture, it's essential to protect the skin surrounding your nails. Apply a generous amount of petroleum jelly on the skin around your nails. This will act as a barrier, preventing the skin from drying out due to the acetone. Next, you'll need to soak cotton balls in acetone. Place these soaked cotton balls on your nails and secure them with aluminum foil. This creates a mini sauna for your nails, helping the acetone to work its magic. After about 30 minutes, you can remove the aluminum foil and the cotton balls. At this point, you should be able to gently buff away the acrylic using a nail buffer. Be careful not to damage your natural nails underneath. Remember, if the acrylic does not come off easily, re-soak in acetone. Never force or pull it off. Patience is key in this process, and your nails will thank you for it. After successfully removing your acrylics, your nails might feel weak. But don't worry, we've got you covered. It's crucial to moisturize your nails and hands after removal. This replenishes lost hydration and promotes recovery. You might want to consider using a nail strengthening cream to fortify your nails. Biotin supplements are another great option to restore nail health. These options help your nails bounce back stronger and healthier. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to safely removing acrylic nails at home. Remember, always give your nails the care they deserve.